So we got a surprise package today. I know it has to do with the planes we're collecting. Obviously I'm recording. But my mom actually gave me this without telling me what it was. And I have a list where I keep updated of the ones I currently have. This is kind of a big box. Kind of weird. Alright, so I got... Where's my knife? Oh, that's right. Let's go. Another plane for the collection. Our collection is growing. I'm very happy. There we go. Go ahead and get this side. And then this side. I think that's good enough. Oh. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, wow. I was gonna ask for this, but I was gonna wait till my birthday. Oh, whoa. This is the OG. This is the first playset or airplane from Daron I've ever gotten. And all of it's in Goodwill. It's back. Super Giga Pack. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is like double the collection right here because I don't have these liveries. And these are, both of these planes are different. Look how much this comes with. This is gonna be huge. Like, this could advance. Oh. Well, everything's fine. But this is kind of weird. If you look at this truck, half of the logo's stripped off. I don't really care, because as long as the other side's fine, I don't care. Whoa, okay. I don't even know where to begin. We gotta open this. This is, whoa. I love this box. This is nostalgia right here. This is a lot of nostalgia. Oh, I forgot to do something. I'll be right back. And by right back, it doesn't mean take 30 minutes to find scissors. Here we go. All right, give me a sec. I'm like right here. There we go. Whoops. Opening. I gotta be really careful with this box because this is like, the box isn't even damaged. Like, this is really good packaging. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Oh, wow. This is a lot. This is a lot. Let's begin. We have a new sign. Stop and go and slow down. We have the yield sign. Is this... My shirt's backwards. Always. We have... Oh, pops off. Forward sign. And a stop sign. And you already know the buckle up sign as always. But then we have 200 meters road sign. It's cool. This set comes with orange cones, which is weird because white cones are the original. But maybe this is, I don't know. This is the first time you can get oranges. It comes with 3 orange cones.